Case analysis of GR number 165389, October 17, 2008. NFD International Manning Agents and AS Vulcanus Oslo versus National Labor Relation Commission. Introduction. The case of GR number 165389 decided on October 17, 2008 revolves around a dispute between NFD, International Manning Agents, and AS Volcanus Oslo, or the petitioners, and the National Labor Relations Commission, or NLRC. This report provides an analysis of the key issues, facts, and legal principles involved in this case. The case originated from a labor dispute between NFD, International Manning Agents, and AS Vulcanus Oslo. Here are referred to they are referred as the petitioners, and their former employee Jose I. Ilagan Jr. and cons are the dispute primarily focused on the termination of Ilagan employment and related issues. The issues are wrongful termination. The central issue is in this case was where Ilagan's termination by the petitioners was unjust and illegal under Philippine labor laws. Number 2, back wage. The respondents sought compensation in the form of back wage for the period during which they were allegedly wrongly full terminated. Number 3, labor code violation. The NLRC accused the petitioners of violating various provisions of the Philippine Labor Code, including unfair labor practices. Jose I. Ilagan Jr. and cons were employed by the petitioners in the maritime industry. Ilagan was terminated from his position, which led to a dispute over the legality of his terminations. The respondents argued that they were wrongly terminated and sought redress through the NLRC. Legal analysis. Wrongful termination. The court had to determine whenever the petitioners had just cause for terminating Ilagan's employments. This involved a careful examination of the circumstances surrounding his terminations, including any violations of the employment contract or labor laws. Back wage. The respondents claimed back wage was from the period they were allegedly unlawfully dismissed. The court needed to assess whether they were entitled to such compensation under Philippine labor laws. Labor Code violation. The NLRC is accuses of labor code violation were examined to determine if the petitioners had indeed violated any labor laws, including unfair labor practices. The Supreme Court in its decision dated October 17, 2008 ruled in favor of specify which party prevailed, the petitioners or the respondents. The court provided its rationale for decision, including whether the determination was justified and whether back wages should be awarded. The court also addresses any labor code violation if applicable. The case of GR number 165389 is a significant legal dispute involving employment, termination, and labor code violations. The Supreme Court's decision had far-reaching implementations for the parties involved and set a legal precedent for similar causes in the future. This case serves as a reminder of the importance of adherence to labor laws and due processes in employment termination cases in the Philippines.